Hello, today I would like to present you this absolutely beautiful 13 years old Toshiba W100 Libretto, which is something that I would call UMPC, but we can also call it a netbook, and I'm going to show you size compared to a small book. It came with this beautiful carrying pouch, and it was designed to hold your computer. As you can see, we've got the Toshiba logo and our libretto. If we would like to remove our computer, we just go like this, and it's got little bit size of a VHS tape, but I grabbed that book for a reason. So as you can see, we can tell that it's got pretty similar size. In your life, you most likely seen a lot of UMPC/netbook computers, and you might get first impression that we've got nothing interesting. Just take a look. Here we've got USB, we've got our audio port. In front we've got the micro SD, we've got a fan outlet, we've got LED indicators, we've got our power connector. On back we've got basically nothing. Here it is a battery. Here you've got the model number. I'm just covering the Windows serial key. Just take a look at this beautiful logo and how the top flap looks like. And what is going to be amazing, because there is something magical about that unit. Let's open it. Ta-da! We do not have keyboard. And yes, it is a fact. We've got two computer screens and both of them are touch-able. What I can say more, we've got a normal Intel Pentium CPU, so all 32-bit applications are going to be working straight. So if you are looking for a programming radios or something like this, you can run it. We've got a Windows 7 on board, and it is just absolutely magical piece of equipment. Just take a look. Because it is 13 years old device, the battery is dead, so we are going to grab our trusty Go 0, and we are going to supply our device with 19 volts. So we just go like this, the Go 0 go into back, and we can power it on. As you can see, we've got our regular Windows 7 desktop. We can interact with our Windows by using finger, and it's going to be working with both of screens. So no matter if we are going to be using the bottom one or the top one, we can, as you can see, go and open our Paint application, and we can interact with all software. But we also have got a very specialized feature that I will show you. So first, let's maximize this Paint window. If we are going to grab our finger and hold the top bar, we displaying that special menu that came from Toshiba, and it allows us to interact with Windows, so we can basically jump and move Windows around. So let me show you that. Here we can jump that Paint window into top screen. That one is free, and we can interact with any applications. It can be full screen, or those can be a normal window mode applications. Here I've got open Wikipedia page, and as you can see, we can interact with it by using my finger. But what if I would like more conventional way, like using trackpad? We can double press our keyboard button that is located there. Here I've got left and right click, and they do make a haptic feedback. So as you can see, I can click on some link, I can click here, or I can go there. And as you can see, it's working absolutely beautiful. It is painfully slow. Yes, it is 13 years old machine. Let's imagine that I would like make this one Wikipedia page bigger on both screen. We can do that by pressing that button. And as you can see, we are scrolling the same web page, and I can use my finger here. I can use my finger there. I can pinch here and I can unpinch here. So as you can see, it's looking absolutely beautiful. We can get more natural work by opening our trackpad. And for example, I can grab that scroll and I can move it down and up, just like it would be on a real computer. If we would like to type something, then absolutely no problem. We've got a full-size virtual keyboard. We just once press that button, and as you can see, the keyboard pop up, and it's got a haptic feedback, so we can say like test, and as you can see, we are nicely searching for test, and yet it is quite fast to type on that keyboard. It is pretty nice. Let me open a notepad. Let me hide the keyboard. If you get used to it, it is pretty fast. So here I will jumping on top. We can expand it. We can go like this. And we can type. So as you can see, it's working quite nice. We've got absolutely no problem inputting our data that way. I can jump these windows to the bottom one and we can hide our keyboard. And as you can see, we've got all of that. Here I've got my YouTube channel and we've got absolutely no problem in playing video in the low resolution. So forget about anything higher than 630p. Let me play it. It's being played, of course, with sound, but let me mute that so we are not going to be hearing that. We can go full screen, and as you can see, it's working just fine. And on top we've got Wikipedia page. We can nicely scroll, we can pinch, just like that. If we would have like a chat window, we've got absolutely no problem using it while watching video at the same time. It's working like a second full-size screen, so it's got, as you can see, no problem in accepting my touch input while this is still playing. Of course, we can pause it, and we've got absolutely no problem in swapping that around, so we can move these windows into top. We grab our Wikipedia, we move it into bottom, we go full size, we go play, and we reverse our process. As you can see, absolutely no problem. Since this device got camera, we've got absolutely no problem in using like a web applications, and we've got our logo. We've got absolutely no problem in using applications like Zoom or anything else, and here you can see my hand in the picture. So here we've got absolutely no problem working webcam. We reach conclusion time. So is this machine usable in 2023? Absolutely not. It is painfully slow. You constantly hear the fan spinning full blast like a jet engine. On top we've got video from my YouTube channel playing, but it is in extremely low resolution. You can forget about full HD. On bottom there is my blog page, but it's also choppy. and slow. So absolutely not for use. Is this a cool piece? Absolutely yes. Just take a look. We press once, we press twice, we've got our virtual trackpad. It is absolutely beautiful. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.